Hola, ¿cómo están? Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Oh my goodness, I'm out of breath. You don't have any idea how many times I have tried to do this video today. I'm out of breath. I'm very hot. I'm gonna tell you why in a moment. Happy Thursday. Feliz Jueves. I hope you're having a great day. And today we are here for Theme Thursday, and we are gonna do a very small Theme Thursday because I need to keep my battery alive because I don't have electricity, and I don't have electricity for a while now. If you don't know, for all my new subscribers, I am from Puerto Rico, and we just got hit by Hurricane Fiona, and the island went in a blackout, total blackout. Nobody, not a single person in this island had electricity nor water. So yeah, some have electricity already. We got our water back yesterday, thanks God, because it is really hard to have a lot of animals and not water. It is a struggle. I don't have electricity, so yeah, I just charge my phone with this booster that you use for your car to turn on your car when your battery dies. Well, I charge my phone with one of those, so I cannot, you know, use my phone like a lot. So without further ado, hola. That was my beautiful boy. You will see him in a short minute. But today's theme was birds, and up in there, I think we are just going with birds, and this is gonna be an emotional video for me. So if I get emotional, I apologize because I have cried a lot today. So, we are here with Esperanza. Esperanza is the Liberty Skull by Laurel Eagle, and she is wearing this gorgeous outfit. Vente! Vente, Tutsi! This gorgeous outfit that it has a white or beige kind of shirt with some flowers. You have a tree branch and the flowers and some hummingbird, yeah, and a parrot, and she has her I totally went blank, her hat, whatever you call this, and it has some hummingbirds and some leaves, some branches, and her pant is exactly the same print. It is cream with some branches and some leaves, some flowers, pink flowers and yellow flowers, some hummingbirds here and here in the bum. You can see some hummingbirds right here, just drinking from that flower, and some hummingbirds here. And talking about hummingbirds, our dear friend Diana from the Hummingbird Nest passed away a year ago on September. Yeah, and it gets me emotional because I miss her so much, and I want to show you something. Yes, I have mosquito bite right there. but I made this. This is Tootsie. Yeah, Tootsie's nails. I had to clip his nails. I made this hummingbird tattoo for, honoring Miss Diana, and she love it so much. I have to get it fixed because the ink just smear some. So yeah, vente. Yeah, and I named her Esperanza, which is the Spanish name for hope, because we had hope that she was going to win this battle. But she didn't, so yeah. And let me see if I can grab him for a moment. Vente, you are part of this team Thursday. Step up. Vente. Oh my goodness, vente con mama. Here he is. This is the guy you hear in all my videos screaming to death. Tootsie, you cannot be there because they cannot watch you there. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Yeah, you cannot see him. Tootsie, hey, mister. You cannot see him if he is on my shoulders. Tootsie. Hello. He loves dancing. Well, this is the guy who the one you hear screaming to death on all my videos. Yeah. ¿Sí? Te estás gritando todo el tiempo. Di hello. Mama loves you. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed weekend. Stay safe and see you next time. Se me cuidan, chaito. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No. Don't get my shame. Tootsie. Mira. Mírate, vente. Give me your paw. Mira. Tootsie. Ven. Dije adiós. Adiós. No. He's camera shy. See you next time. Se me cuidan, chaito. Bye-bye.